Today's playlist, we have mailed each other packages containing 3 craft items, 2 non-craft items from Dollar Tree, and we're going to be trying to fit as many as possible into 1 or 2 crafts. Alrighty, I'm about to see what Favi has doomed me with. Oh, she told me to beware. I'm already aware. Oh, beautiful card. Hey, Leah. Well, how did we end up here with me sending you a mystery box on the tangles? Oh, the tangles we weave. LOL. So, to begin, I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause you, but you got this. Remember, have fun, sweet friend. Challenge items are wrapped in tissue gift wrap. Craft items are floating around. Happy crafting, Favi of Arrows DIY. So pretty. Now let me see. I'll put a little more light on this. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, this is not so bad. A Dollar Tree wood plaque to craft on. Some stickers. I'll have to give that one a little thought. Oh, this is great. I haven't seen these yet. Wood words, wood cutouts that say believe. Neat. And now the dreaded tissue wrapped items. Well, I actually might even use that lace that she wrapped around. Very nice. Okay, what in the world is this thing? Foam knee pad. Oh, yes, you've thrown me a loop. Okay. And another cute wrapped piece is... What? Inspection mirror. Okay. I know we don't have to use the whole piece, and we just have to use some of each item. I don't even know what some of this I'm going to use. Alright, you throw me for a loop, Favi. See what I come up with. This is the Mystery Box Swap November 2021 edition, and Favi and I have invited 6 more of our friends to play along. See everyone's projects by using the playlist link in the descriptions below. I have to say this one stumped me even more than the last one. But what I did was took the knee pad and hot glued it to the back of the wood sign. I just flipped it up, glued some on the one side, flipped it and glued the other side. Fix my glue gun, glue some more, and then when it was cooled off, I flipped it back over, and you can see that the curvature of the knee pad matches the curve of the wood plaque. So now I'm going to use my straight square, ruler square, and I'm going to mark off across that top part, that little hump there, and then I'm going to measure down about halfway between the top and bottom of the rectangle, and then I'm going to put a straight line there as well. Next, I'm going to be painting these 3 sections, and I'm using black apple barrel paint and flag red apple barrel paint. You'll see I didn't try to get the edges straight between them because I've got something else going on there. The top part I'm painting with white Waverly chalk paint. I saved the white for last because it's thicker and it would cover up any flaws with that red. Now for the believe sign, I'm using New Shamrock green on that, and then painting out the Santa hat red and white. And all of these I just used one coat of paint on. Now to address that curvy black line, I'm going to be using the strap from the knee pad, the elastic band, and I'm going to put it right down the middle there. Figure out where it's straight, and then hot glue it down. Glued both sides and flipped it over and glued those ends down in the back. I glued the believe sign at the top, and I realized it was just way too much black, so I go over that bottom section with the white Waverly chalk paint again and put a good coat over that. Now I still have two things to go. The inspection tool was really throwing me for a loop. Here I'm just adding some black touch-up paint and put a little dot of black in all of the E's so they look more like E's. But anyway, with the inspection tool, I used a small screwdriver and took it apart. Then put a good amount of hot glue down and stuck that mirror side down to resemble maybe a belt buckle on Santa's pants. The last thing I had to use was the stickers. I took one of the glittery stickers, high glitter, used my hole punch, and punched out some of those. I had the idea that it would look kind of like stars in the sky if I put them around the top. I was not at all happy once I got them on there, because instead of looking like stars, they just looked more like planets, really, since they were totally circular round. So I end up going back, taking those off, and just using one of the pieces in the center of the Santa's belt buckle. So there you have it, guys. All 5 items into one craft. Is it a genius craft that somebody's wanting to recreate? No? Very doubtful. But I did it. Challenge accepted and conquered. I'd like to give a big shout out to my co-host, Favi, from Arrows DIY, as well as all the participants today. Tiff from Broke Girl Aesthetic, Ariel from Piece of Refuge, Sarah from Sunflowers and DIYing, Ant from Antoinette's Decorating, Robin for Robin's Buys and DIYs, and Maddie from Artsy Maddie. And if you live in Canada or the United States and would like to participate in the next swap, which will be in January, contact myself or Fabi. This is Leah from JunkerNecker DIY saying until next time, bye-bye.